Lulu from Boho Locs here today, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on making a Boho Locs crochet wig. But today I'm going to be using a bob as opposed to the long locks. So if you know about our boho bobs, then you know that they come in two lengths. We have the 12 and 14. You've got more of the 14 and less of the 12. The idea when you're finished and you've got the style on is that you get a one level bob, which is why we advise you to put the shorter hair in the back and the longer hair in the front. So when we're making our crochet wig, we need to just take into consideration the two lengths. What we're going to try and do, we're going to try and put the 12 inches towards the back of the crochet wig, and we're going to try and put the 14 towards the front. The colour I'm going to be working with today is our Autumn Leaves, which I'm so excited about. We have released these in the Mermaid Bob edition, but it's been highly anticipated for us to do the Boho Goddess, so we're super excited to be launching those as well. I just love the colour combo on these because it's like a burnt orange colour mixed with bronze, and you can't go wrong with this colour. I absolutely love it. In each pack you get 120 locks and you get a set of Boho Locs jewels. So all you need to make your crochet wig, of course, your Boho Locs, you need a crochet wig cap, some scissors, and of course your crochet needle. Okay, so you can pretty much use any crochet wig cap to make the wig with, as long as you're comfortable with it. You want to make sure that it's got like an elasticated band around the end to hold it on, of course. I like this particular cap because it's got two size holes on it. So towards the sides and the back of the wig, the holes are larger. But in the front of the wig cap, where your crown is, the holes are smaller, so we can fit more locks where they're needed. We really don't need a lot in the back. Okay, so as we're working with two colors, we need to bear that in mind and blend the colors as we go. I generally, not religiously, but I generally tend to do one of one of the other, one of one of the other. If I forget for a few, it's not the end of the world, but just remember that you want to try and blend the colors, unless of course you're going to do something different where you do half and half or one color at the front. But if you want just a blended look, you're just going to want to blend them as you go. So we're going to start at the back, and we are going to put crochet right in the back, and you'll just see the pattern that I build up as I'm making the wig. But let's go. So I've done the first row, and what you want to do, you do want to space it out about an inch and a half between each lock. I know it looks scary, it looks sparse, it looks spread out. The first time I made a wig, I made a rookie mistake, and what I did was I put them way too close together, and the wig just did not look good. Honestly, at the back, we are good. We can space it out. So we're looking to do about an inch between each lock. Now, when I move on to the second row, what I'm gonna do is something that's called brickwork. And brickwork, basically, if you think about bricks, they're not lined up in rows, they're kind of staggered. One big brick covers two, if that makes sense. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the locks in the gaps, and we're gonna fill it up with brickwork. And that is how you get more coverage when you've got it on. But don't worry, I know it looks spread out, but honestly, when it's on, I've got one on now. I'm wearing a wig right now. Doesn't look sparse, does it? See? You see? So the first row of brickwork is done, and as you can see, I've placed the locks in between the gaps. What we're going to try and do with the 12, we're going to try and take it as far up the back of the hair as we can, and then we're going to put the 14 more on the top of the wig. So I finished with the 12, and so we're going to try and travel as far up as we can, basically, and this is the spacing that we're looking at. So about 1 inch squared around each lock, and we're going to try and do brickwork so everything covers and flows so it looks fuller when it's down. Pretty much finished making the crochet wig now. We've got this area in the crown to do, and we actually have 40 locks to do it with, so obviously we've got far more than we need for this wig. You're going to need to hold aside roughly 10 to 15 locks because you're going to do the individuals in front of where you put the wig on. So with these 20 locks, I'm going to fill in the top bit, and I'm going to also put some around the wig where needed. Okay, so we pretty much finished the wig, which is good news, and it didn't even take, I don't know, how long did it take? I don't know, not long at all, half an hour, if that. Super quick to make, super easy. I hope this has been helpful so far. Last thing I'm going to talk about is fill-ins. So if you're like me, I'm a person where I pretty much just flip my hair over to one side. I know the style that I wear. So what I like to do is just to make sure that area has got enough coverage so that when I flip it, it still looks really good. So I know that I kind of flip it roughly around about here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about 3 or 4 locks and just dot them in this area to fill it out just a little bit more. And then this wig will be good to go. There we have it. The wig is now complete, and I do have some locks left over. I've got 3 plus 20, so I've got 23. So I've got more than enough to do the individuals in the front and to dot more in wherever I need to. So if you have any questions, please do comment below, and one of us in the Boho team will be so happy to get back to you. I hope this is helpful, and that is how you make your Boho Locs, Boho Goddess, Bob crochet wig. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.